Aloha! Today we will be making Spam Musubi. There are a bunch of different ways on how to make it, and I'll show you 4 different types of Spam Musubi. First, to make any Spam Musubi, you'll need to cook 3 cups of rice. You'll need a can of Spam, open it, and take out the chunk of meat. Slice it lengthwise to desired thickness. Then cut the nori or seaweed sheets to desired length. I like to cut along the crease folds to get even lengths. Set it all aside. We'll first make regular Spam Musubi. Add your sliced Spam to a pan heated over medium heat. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Set down the nori that you just cut. Then place the musubi molding on top. If you'd like to get one of these, you can find a link below the video to buy one for yourself. Add about a scoop of rice to the musubi mold. Press down on the rice. And then add your Spam on top of the rice. Using the presser, press down and slide the rectangle mold up. Wet both ends of the nori with water to help stick together. Bring both ends of the nori down on the musubi. And that's how you make a regular Spam Musubi. Next is Teriyaki Spam Musubi, a favorite among many. Mix together 2 tablespoons of shoyu, 2 tablespoons of cooking white wine, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 clove of crushed garlic. Stir it until all of the sugar has dissolved. Add the teriyaki sauce. Let it cook for 1 minute, and then you'll notice it begin to thicken. Then flip it, and make sure it's got some sauce on the other side as well. Same as before, add the nori, then the mold, a scoop of rice, press down on it, and add the teriyaki Spam. Finish it by wrapping with the nori. And there you have Teriyaki Spam Musubi. Next is the breakfast Spam Musubi. Crack open the eggs into a bowl. Whisk it for about a minute. Add oil to a pan over medium heat. Then add in the scrambled eggs. Let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. Using the mold's rectangle part, you can cut out a piece of the egg. Then, repeat the same process. Wrap it up with the nori, and there you go. The breakfast Spam Musubi. Lastly, we have the Furikake Spam Musubi. Just like the regular Spam, start to assemble it. After you press down on the rice, using the Furikake Seasoning, sprinkle it across evenly. Add another layer of rice, then finish it by wrapping it up with the nori. Furikake Spam Musubi. Spam Musubi is also great to take as an on-go lunch. Simply wrap it with plastic wrap, twist the ends, and you now have lunch ready. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how it turned out by commenting below.